Hi everyone, I'm here with Mike today, and we're going to be talking about the ways to feature your advertiser.
Right. So in Metro Publisher, one of the important features we have are directories. And those oftentimes are paid listings by local advertisers, restaurants, businesses, and various things like that. And what I've commonly seen with publishers is they will link to their search pages by a few common means. For example, we've got a location search sprocket which allows the user to link directly to a search. And on these pages, which is the basis of the directory, are categories and tags you can set up so your users can filter by things like organic foods or kid-friendly restaurants. And this is a great user experience, and it's an easy thing to set up. And they're very popular. They come up well in searches, as well as they're just the typical thing that people are looking for on your site. And other times I see that publishers have added, let's say, a section where there's a tab at the top of the page and it takes you directly to a search. Now these are all fine, they work really well, but there's also another way that's more visual that you can link people to these searches, and then you also have the opportunity to promote some of your paid listings. So as an example, what I did was I created this item here called Local Guide, and it takes you to a section page where I've added various sprockets to pull up some of the popular categories or popular search terms that people use.
Okay, so you can get that from our analytics, so you can kind of figure out which ones are the ones you would usually put there.
Yeah, exactly. So things that are popular. Restaurants are always popular. But in this one, I created one sprocket that's a gallery, and it's got a 5-story grid, and it's called dining. So these are all dining related ones. So I have the first one links directly to restaurants, and then I've got a few that I know are popular searches. So for example, this one is organic. And if you click on that, it actually takes you to the restaurant search, but it's pre-filtered for organic restaurants. And you can see that there. And the idea being that you provide this kind of visual landing page, and you put nice photography that goes along with the topic, and it's a compelling experience for people. And so I added it as a couple other examples. I put arts and culture, and I'm linking to the event search, I'm linking to bars. There's different ways you can do it based on your own audience and what you think makes sense. But additionally, I added a sprocket, and this is a poster board that's showing 4 advertisers, people that are in the directory randomly. So every time this page loads, it's another opportunity to visually promote the advertisers in your directory. That's pretty much it. You're basically trying to create another way to capture people's attention and draw them to your directories. This can easily be done with standard sprockets, and I think it's pretty effective.
Super.
Great.
Thanks a lot.